Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Pathfinder in Illustrator. The Pathfinder is one of the most useful tools in Adobe Illustrator. It makes it easier to combine paths, divide objects, and subtract shapes. To use the Pathfinder, open your artwork in Illustrator. Go to Windows menu. At the bottom of the list you can find the Pathfinder. Or you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus F9 to open it. The Pathfinder window will appear. Now you can move anywhere in your artwork or you can place it in the floating palette. The Pathfinder works on more than one shapes. To use Pathfinder, select and arrange the shapes that you want to edit. Select one of the options in the Pathfinder. For details of every option you can hover over the options to reveal their description. There are four main functions in Pathfinder. The first option is Unite option, used for combining the shapes. The second is minus front, used for removing the front shapes. This option removes the shapes that are in front, including the part of shapes that are in the back. Third is the Intersect option. It only leaves behind the overlapping area of all the selected shapes. And fourth is the Exclude option. It removes the overlapping area of all the selected shapes. The rest of the options are complementary. These include the Divide option, it divides all the shapes from the overlapping boundaries. The Trim option, it divides all shapes from visible boundaries. Merge option combines the visual areas of shapes and makes a group. Crop option, this option gives you the same result as clipping mask, but instead of masking it crops the shapes in behind inside the shape in front. Outline option, this option converts all shapes into outlines and also divides the overlapping outlines. And finally, minus back option. This option is the opposite of minus front. It basically removes the shapes that are in the back. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe for more interesting videos.